Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join a group on Roblox. To join a group or a community in Roblox, first of all, launch the Roblox app open on your device like you normally do and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on the More button at the bottom right corner, and from the More menu, tap on Communities. Inside the Community section, you can create a community or join into an existing one. Go ahead and search for the community that you want to join into by using the search box at the top. Type the name of the community or the group you want to join into, and once you find it, go ahead and tap on it and then click on Join Community button. Some communities may require approval from the owner or admins before you can join in. You'll have to wait for them to accept your request. Once approved, you are a member. You can then chat, participate in events, and engage with other members. So that is how you easily join into a group or a community on Roblox. If you found the video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.